Once upon a time in the kingdom of Eldralore, there was a mysterious lake hidden deep within the Whispering Woods. No one dared go near it, for it was said that strange lights danced on its surface under the midnight sky, and those who gazed upon them vanished without a trace. But curiosity is a stubborn thing, and no one was more curious than young Mira, the baker's daughter. Her hair was as wild as the wind, and her laughter could lift the dullest day. Though warned by her father and the villagers alike, Mira had always dreamed of seeing the fabled starlit lake. One cool autumn evening, as the stars blinked awake, Mira made up her mind. "I'll just take a peek and be back before anyone notices," she whispered to herself. With a lantern in hand, she slipped past the village gate and ventured into the whispering shadows of the woods. The deeper she went, the quieter it became. The trees seemed to hold their breath, and a strange shimmer glowed through the thick fog ahead. Heart racing, Mira followed the light until she stumbled into a clearing. There it was, the star-lit lake, glistening like a sky filled with stars. The lights swirled across the water, enchanting and otherworldly. But Mira wasn't afraid. She stepped closer, mesmerized by their beauty. Suddenly, the lights began to spin faster, forming a towering spiral. A soft voice echoed through the clearing. "Who dares gaze upon the lake?" I'm Mira," she stammered. "I meant no harm." The lights dimmed, revealing a tall, elegant figure cloaked in shimmering silver. His eyes glowed like moonlight, and his presence was both mesmerizing and eerie. "I am Kaelin, guardian of the lake. You are bold to come here, Mira." "I only wanted to see the lights," she admitted. "They're beautiful." Kaelin's expression softened. "Few see beauty where others see fear. Perhaps you are the one we have waited for." Before Mira could ask what he meant, the wind picked up, and the surface of the lake rippled. From its depths rose shadowy tendrils, dark and twisting. "The lake is in danger," Kaelin warned. "The night-bound curse has awakened." "What can I do?" Mira asked, her voice trembling. "Only someone with courage and a pure heart can calm the lake. Will you help?" Mira nodded, even as fear gnawed at her resolve. "Tell me what to do." Kaelin placed a shimmering crystal in her hand. "Cast this into the heart of the lake, but beware, the shadows will try to stop you." As Mira approached the water, the tendrils lashed out, their whispers filling her mind with doubt. "You are too weak," they hissed. "Turn back." But Mira clutched the crystal tightly. "I am stronger than your lies," she declared. With all her might, she hurled the crystal into the center of the lake. A blinding light erupted, banishing the shadows and filling the forest with warmth. The lake sparkled brighter than ever, its waters clear and tranquil. Kaelin smiled. "You have saved Eldralore, Mira. The lake will no longer be a place of fear, but a source of wonder and magic." As dawn broke, Mira returned to the village, her heart brimming with pride. The villagers marveled at her tale, and from that day on, the starlit lake became a place where dreams were born, thanks to the brave girl who saw beauty where others